Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert small letter to capital letter in a Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, then we show then all text is small letter. This small letter is convert to capital letter. Firstly, select your all text and going to the sense case option and click for the uppress option. It's okay. Then we show the convert a small letter to capital letter. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.